Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are exploring one of the most famous and fundamental numbers in mathematics, pi. You have probably seen this Greek symbol before, but what does it actually mean? Let's dive in. In simple terms, pi is a ratio found in every perfect circle. It is defined as the circumference, which is the distance around the circle, divided by the diameter, which is the distance across the circle through the center. No matter how big or small the circle is, this ratio is always the same. To visualize this, imagine taking the diameter of a circle and laying it along the outside edge. You will find that the diameter fits exactly 3 times, with a little bit left over. That remaining part is roughly 0.14159 of the diameter. This is why pi is approximately 3.14. The value of pi starts with 3.14159, but it does not stop there. It is often approximated as 3.14 or the fraction 22/7 for school calculations. However, the true value is much more complex. Pi is incredibly useful in formulas. If you want to find the distance around a circle, also known as the circumference, you simply multiply the diameter by pi. Or, since the diameter is twice the radius, you can use the famous formula, c equals 2 times pi times the radius. Pi also helps us find the space inside a circle. The formula for the area is pi multiplied by the radius squared. This means you take the length of the radius, multiply it by itself to make a square, and then multiply that result by pi. Humans have been fascinated by pi for thousands of years. The ancient Babylonians and Egyptians had rough estimates. Later, the Greek mathematician Archimedes calculated it more precisely. It was not until 1706 that the Greek letter pi was first used to represent this number. Pi is not just for math class, it is everywhere in the real world. Engineers use it to design wheels and gears. NASA scientists need it to calculate spacecraft orbits with extreme precision. Even physicists use it to study waves like light and sound. So, to recap, pi is the constant ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It is an irrational number, approximately 3.14159, and it is the key to unlocking the geometry of circles from area to perimeter. Thank you for watching this introduction to pi. If you found this helpful, keep exploring the amazing world of geometry. See you next time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.